Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to create a cool text typing effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a really fun and useful effect that you can use to make your websites look more dynamic and engaging. We will be using black tones. Okay, let's get started. Okay, open our HTML file and first let's change title our page. Write text typing effect. Okay, and now we need to create a container and we'll create our text inside this container. Create new div and add our text. I'll be using h1 tag. Okay, and now we need to add class for our container and ID for our text. We'll be using this ID to create logic using JavaScript. Create ID. We can write typing effect. Okay, and now we need to create a file with styles. I created main CSS and also you need to connect this file inside your head. Okay, and first we'll create some styles for our body. We add basic styles like delete all, margin and change height. We'll be using full screen. Also change position our element inside our body using display flags, justify content center, align items center. Okay, and create some background color. I'll be using black. Okay, and create color for our text. Create light, and in the end we also can change font family. Change our font. Okay, and now let's add style for our text using our h1 tag, and first create font size 2.5 rem and change width space. We'll be using no wrap and create border right. Add solid and color light. Okay, and in the next we need to create typing animation. Create new keyframe and we can name this animation typing and create two parts, from and to. Okay, in the start we need to get width 0 and in the next we need to get width 100% and also create one more animation. It names blank card and this animation will be have 3 parts, but we can combine it from and to. Create from and to into one line, and for these 2 parts we need to create new property, border color transparent. Okay, and also create third part and create border color light. We can use white. Okay, and next step we need to connect our 2 animations. Create property animation and first using our typing, also add times our animation and create steps And next connect our second animation, copy name and pass here. Also add time and create effect, step and also add infinity. Okay. And next step, we need to create logic for our text. First you need to create a JavaScript file and connect this file. You can use script tag and attribute src, or you can create script tag and write in your code inside this tag. It doesn't matter, but I created a new file because this approach will make my code more clearly. Okay, and now first we need to create event listener for document global object, because we need to know that our DOM content loaded or not using global object document, and method add event listener, and we need DOM content loaded. Okay, next we can create our function and we'll create our logic inside this function. First let's create our text. We can write anything, but I'll write welcome to the typing effect tutorial. And next let's create new variable. It will be our index, and our effect will be start with this index. It will be index our first letter. Okay, and next let's create speed. We'll be using 100 milliseconds. And also we need to create variable with our element. Create new const and call this const element, and again using document, but now we'll be using get element by id, and inside this method we add id our text. Okay. And now we need to create a function. This function will be write our text. Create new function and name this function type writer. Okay, and first we'll create condition. If our index less than text length, we can use our element and add text using inner HTML, and use our text and method chart add, and add our index, our letter. And also next we need to increment our index all time when our function will be called. Okay, and in the end let's create set timeout, and this method will be get two arguments. First argument is our function, and the second argument will be use our speed. Okay, and in the end we need to call our type writer. Okay, our script is ready, and now let's look at the window. Update our page, and like you see, everything works well. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.